We've spent years teaching maths and have seen over and over again just how challenging many students find times tables. Since working with division rests on a working knowledge of times tables, it's not surprising that students actively avoid working with division. This leads to students having a lower confidence in their mathematical ability. It also makes it so much harder for them to master so many mathematical concepts further down the line. Inquisitive Minds have written a series of games to support students in learning their times tables. We've now added to this a series of games to reinforce division skills as well. There are 3 division collections available. Our classic collection gives instructions for how to use the well-known games of Snap and Memory to reinforce division facts. We've also written some all-original games to improve students' recall of these facts. Instructions for our games 1 to 10 and Flip 4 are available in the Division Card Games Original Collection 1, and rules on how to play the games Match Up and First Out can be purchased by buying our Division Card Games Original Collection 2. These games are not only great for helping students in the earlier years of learning to divide, they're challenging enough to keep older students engaged too. This makes them a great way of revising division facts and keeping them fresh in students' memories once calculators are introduced. This is often when even the most competent mathematicians find that these skills tend to get a little rusty. As we've already mentioned, one problem that students have with division is that they have gaps in their knowledge of times tables. But another issue is that in many cases, students have not fully understood that multiplication and division are what we call inverse operations. What this means is that multiplication and division are opposite to each other. So, to work out, say, 40 divided by 8, we can instead think of the question, 8 times what equals 40? To determine 24 divided by 6, we ask ourselves, 6 times what equals 24? Our multiplication and division support material contains all of this information, plus some graphics to support students as they learn their times and division facts. These are also a great scaffold to use beside the division games while students are building their confidence with these skills. To play the games in the Division Cards game series, students will need to have access to a set of our division cards. By purchasing, printing, laminating and cutting out our Division DIY flashcards, you'll have a cheap way of getting your class ready to play the Division card games. Another option is to purchase our ready-made set of division cards. These colourful cards come in a stackable storage container. They're a convenient and durable option of providing the cards necessary for playing the games. All of the products mentioned in this video are available at our Inquisitive Minds shop. Why not check it out today?